Good day, ma'am. Welcome to Elsie Restaurant. Do you have any reservation? May I know your name? By the way, ma'am, we had prepared a very nice table for you. This way, please. Will this table be alright for you? Please take your seat. Excuse me, ma'am. May I lay your napkin? By the way, ma'am, I'm Leander, your food server for the day, and it will be my pleasure to serve you. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like ice cold water? Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like have bread rolls? Would you like other roll? Excuse me, ma'am. I would like to suggest our cocktail for the day. Would you like to try it, ma'am? How about you, sir? Ma'am, this is your dry martini. Ma'am, I would like to present you food menu for your selection. I will take your order whenever you're ready. Excuse me, ma'am, may I suggest the following? For your starter, may I suggest that you try? May I suggest also a hot steaming soup? How about a fresh salad, ma'am? Would you like to try? And to complete your meal, may I suggest a dessert? How about a freshly brewed coffee or tea to complete your meal? Ma'am, may I repeat your order? Did I get order right, ma'am? I would like to present to your sparkling wine Chamdor. It is an alcohol-free sparkling grape juice made from the vineyard of South Africa. It contains 750 ml. Shall I open the bottles for you, ma'am? Would you like to taste it first? Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your appetizer. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your hot steaming soup. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done? Can I clear your plate? Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your salad. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done? Can I clear your plate? Excuse me, ma'am. I would like to present to you the bottle of wine you order. It has a good vintage year of 2001, made from the vineyard of Modesto, California, USA. Shall I open the bottle for you? Would you like to taste it first? Excuse me, ma'am. Here is our chef special for today. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done? Can I clear your plate? Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your dessert. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done? Can I clear your plate? Here is your brewed coffee, or here is your tea. Excuse me, ma'am. May I present your bill? Your bill is total amount of 2,135, and I received 2,500. I'll be back for your receipt. I'll be back for your change. Thank you for coming, ma'am. Have a nice day.